Hi traders, Anthony here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can grow your crypto account. I've got to tell you, it's absolutely doable to have results like this. And this is an account that I started. It's a demo account for the purpose of tutorials and the video. In fact, here's the disclaimer, please read it. I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial or investment advice. Okay, educational and entertainment purposes only. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve results like this, and if you work this strategy and practice, there's every reason why you should be able to duplicate what I'm doing here. So we started off with 10,000, we're now approaching nearly 18,000 in account balance here. Over the years I've come to prefer two methods of trading. One is based on trading a range breakout, but it's not just a range breakout, there's a bit more to it. I'll explain that. And the other one is trading where the market's overextended. The range breakout is more or less a trend continuation strategy, and trading these overextended impulse legs here is counter trend generally, but sometimes these will get you into a trend reversal. In its most basic form, you could trade these signals directly off the signals without any technical analysis and do pretty well. My preference is trading these off the 1 minute chart. However, I've got multiple charts open here, and if I see the setup on one of the big ones, I'll have a look at that. But let's keep it really simple for this video. So I'll explain the strategy, then I'll show you the results. What we're looking for is this alert. It's telling us that we have a breakout of this level here. So we've got two of these levels. We've got this level, red dots under here, and this level. And you can see there's a bit of a cloud running through here. This signal gives us the second breakout. So the first breakout of this range down here, that's the first breakout of the range here, there. The second breakout is this one, and I like the second breakout because it's generally going to carry more weight. Generally speaking, there's more conviction in the breakout. The way to trade it is we look for the pullback, retest and fail. In its simplest form, what I'm suggesting to newbies is simply wait for the pullback into the mean and go for the signals that pull back quickly, and then take that. When it touches this middle line, there's your trade right there. Here's the situation. We got the signal. You could have entered here, but we got the definite touch here. Generally what I'm waiting for, and this is for newbies, no technical analysis, the breakout and quick pullback into the mean, take it, and there's your trade. We get around about an 80% win rate with that. So out of every 10 we've got to expect 1 or 2 to fall over. And we can go back and quickly have a look. So that one was a winner. That was a winner. And this is not counting, by the way, these counter trend trades, which you're going to see were pretty good. You can see them. Okay, that's another video, but let's just quickly go back and count up on the 5 minute chart how many of these breakouts were actually profitable. Now this is a nice signal, pulls back and then we take it. There's your trade when we touch here. Okay, we have 3, 4, and again the break signal here. It took a little while, but we got the pullback here. You may have taken that. If it's prolonged, I'm generally suggesting to leave it alone. However, if you caught that, or if you caught this, either way you would have been fine. Stop loss, we're just using this cloud here, and we're going above these dots, and then when we get an opportunity we pull the stop loss down to above these dots. So you got inner level, outer level. Keeping it simple. I think that's 4. Look at this one. There's the signal, pull back, take it. You may have entered here or you may have entered here. 5, signal, pull back into the mean. Stop loss starts here, and then we pull the stop loss down to these dots on the inner level of the cloud here. It rotated here, entry was there. We're always looking to take profit 80%. See this down here, this is called the average true range. And we go 1 times the average true range. So whatever that value is, that's our target for T1. Now keeping it simple, okay, target reached right here. In any case, if you think that was a little bit difficult, you could call that one a loser if you wanted to, although it wasn't. Breakout, I like these. Strong pullback into the mean as you trade. Every one of these that returns a small, you're going to get these extended moves that really pay off. I don't know how many we've gone back, but honestly we haven't seen a loser yet, like one that's actually fallen over without any chance of profiting. Entry here or here, depending on how well you read it. So guys, I mean, how far back do we go with this? You can see that these signals are pretty good. Alright, we've got one over here that may be a little bit questionable. This one was a good one. Quick pullback is always what we're looking for. It whips back into the mean and we take it. And just look at the outcome here. This one, fairly extended move. Alright, we pulled back in here. 1 times the ATR, let's say that we'll call that one a loser. Even though we did have a little bit out. That's actually about 1 times the ATR, by the way. But I'm happy to chuck a red thumbs down on that one. As I said, you know, we're looking at 80%. So far we've got a 90% win rate here. So that's trading the breakout. This is a range breakout trade opportunity. Some charts are better than others, and it's just a matter of, like, this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's quite good to trade. This is a 5-minute chart. You know, we could do this on the 1-minute chart. You get plenty of time. It's a minute for each candle, and we're waiting for it to pull back into the mean on the 1 minute. So I prefer the 1 minute because it's actually going to get you in earlier. I'll just quickly add these up, and then I want to show you something else. So we've got 1, 2, 3 trades, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, 12 trades, and we'll say 1 loser, and maybe another one that could have been questionable if you missed it. 10 out of 12. So there's that, and I have a ton of videos that you can watch teaching you the ins and outs of this strategy. Let me show you this. This is my Telegram channel. This was the Bitcoin trade we took today. Real-time trade signal. So that's the series of this trade signal in Telegram. What I want to say to you is, I'll post trade signals in here, but the idea of this is to help you become independent so that you're not relying on anybody's trade signals. So over here, you create your own, and I've got videos on all of this. There's all your signals. You click them, you come in, and again, like at its most basic, if you traded every one of these signals on the pullback into the mean, as I showed you, you would have got a 10 out of 12 result with this chart. These are the kind of results that this can help you achieve. Here we are, we're trailing this one. Now I'm going to pull my stop loss up under the dot here. So I'm trailing this inner level of dots. If this stop loss gets hit, I'm going to be $49.76 in the money here because the stop loss is above my entry. You know, there's $100 already in the bag. The beauty of this trailing stop loss is, you know, sometimes you're going to get an opportunity where we have an extended trend and it just goes on and on and on. They happen. I mean, look at this one. Here's my website. If you head over to this page, the pricing page, compare the value to your monthly investment of $29.95 here. This is exceptional value. You're not going to find anything like this anywhere. And I take it one step further. Try it. Give it a 7-day trial. Jump on board, and for whatever reason, if this is not for you, zero risk whatsoever. Give yourself the opportunity to find out how this could change your life. So with that, hope you have a great day. Give me a thumbs up, by the way. I'm trying to grow my channel and it's not an easy task. Take care, safe trading, and see you in the next video.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to